What is going on, everyone? Look at this beautiful frog turtle in here. Last time video, I introduced a new enclosure. This is what it is, and I just put him in this cage and I feed him a little. In that video, I told you guys I was so excited to see how big he's gonna be. So today I'm going to see how actual inches he is. So let's take a look at. Sorry, buddy. You're a nice little turtle. Don't get rushed. So look at this, everyone. This is centimeters. So he's almost like 5 centimeters. It means like inches. It's like 2 inches, right? Yeah. So including his head, he's like almost like 7. So that means like almost like 3 inches. Yeah, this is how big he is. I mean, how small he is right now. Yeah. Maybe a month later, he's gonna be like double size. I'm not sure. So let's put him back into the cage. Ooh. So let's feed him as well. These days I feed him this. It's shrimp. Yeah, it's dried shrimp. So I'm going to put him. There you go, buddy. You wanna eat shrimp? Yeah, he's eating. Look at this. He's so cute, buddy. Don't look at me. Just eat it. Just eat it, bro. That's right. My hands are a little shaky. I'm sorry about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, let's see how big he's gonna be. Bye bye.